Now point is the shape of meniscus. Meniscus means if liquid is in contact with solid, the shape of liquid in case of if concave meniscus or if it makes acute angle of contact, then such type of shape it is called meniscus. Now if water, kerosene, it is in contact with solid surface, water, kerosene, it wets the solid, ओला करतात ते surface. For these liquids, the meniscus formed it is concave and angle of contact it is acute. In case of mercury, mercury does not wet the solid surface. Mercury सॉलिड सरफेसला चिटकत नाही, ओला करत नाही. मग त्याच्यासाठी अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट जो असतो तो ऑब्ट्यूस असतो आणि मिनिस्कस जे असतं ते कॉन्व्हेक्स असतं. आता ते या व्हेक्टर डायग्रॅमच्या सहाय्याने एक्सप्लेन केलेलं आहे. वाय अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट इज ॲक्यूट और मिनिस्कस इज कॉन्केव, वाय अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट इज ऑब्ट्यूस, मिनिस्कस इज कॉन्व्हेक्स. नाउ if the liquid it is in contact with solid surface, there are total 4 forces exerting. Suppose this is liquid molecule A and its sphere of influence means every particle, every molecule in this sphere, it will be attracted towards A. Now the 4 forces. Number 1, the gravitational force exerting in downwards. Number 2, adhesive force due to air molecules. Number 3, cohesive force due to liquid molecules. It is at 45 degree angle from the liquid surface or solid surface, and adhesive force due to solid molecules. Now in this figure, the adhesive force it is represented by AP bar. Adhesive force, this force AP bar. Cohesive force represented by AC bar. This is cohesive force by liquid molecules. And these two forces, number 1 due to air molecules, adhesive force, and gravitational force in downwards, these two forces are negligible. They have no any role to form concave or convex meniscus. Now, if liquid which wets the solid surface, this adhesive force AP bar, it will be greater than or equal to this cohesive force. If we want to draw the resultant of these two vectors, this is one vector, this is the second vector. A resultant of these two vectors, it is in solid or outside the liquid. AR bar, the resultant of cohesive force and adhesive force. In case of liquid which wets the solid surface, the resultant it is outside the liquid. Now tendency of liquid at the point of contact where it is in contact with solid, in equilibrium condition it remains perpendicular to the resultant, means this is the direction of resultant and it remains perpendicular. Therefore this shape becomes concave in case of liquid which wets the solid surface, in case of liquid like kerosene. Now second, why convex meniscus is formed? Now this is the resultant of adhesive forces by solid molecules. This is the resultant of cohesive force by liquid molecules. Suppose this is liquid of type mercury. Now this adhesive force, it is much less than the cohesive force. If we find a resultant of these two forces, it is within the liquid. Now the tendency of liquid in equilibrium, it remains perpendicular to this resultant, means such type of shape. It is perpendicular to the resultant. Therefore, the shape of liquid becomes convex, forming obtuse angle of contact. Third case, in case of water, where the angle of contact is 0. Again, two forces. This is adhesive force by the solid molecules, and again there will be cohesive force AC bar due to liquid molecules. It is negligible in case of water, liquid like water. Therefore, the resultant, if it is negligible, then the resultant, it will be in the direction of this adhesive force. Now, tendency of free surface of liquid, it remain perpendicular to the resultant, means to remain perpendicular to the resultant, it remains plane with the surface, forming 0 angle of contact. Fourth case is angle of contact 90 degree. आता हे पॉसिबल नसतं व्यवहारामध्ये की लिक्विड सरफेसनं किंवा त्याला ड्रॉन केलेला टँजंट जो आहे त्याने केलेला अँगल 90 डिग्री असतो. मात्र इमॅजिनरी आपण ॲश्युम करू की तो अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट 90 डिग्री आहे. इफ द अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट इज 90 डिग्री, then the resultant will be perpendicular to the surface of the liquid. Now this is the cohesive force due to liquid molecules, and this is the adhesive force due to solid molecules, and this is the resultant. To remain perpendicular to the resultant, the shape of liquid becomes such type, forming 90 degree angle of contact. Now this cohesive force, it makes angle of 45 degree with the solid surface or with the liquid surface. Now with the help of these lines, draw parallelogram APRCA. In this figure, this angle, it is of 45 degree. Then define here sine of 45. It is equal to RC or CR divided by AC, hypotenuse. Sine of 45, it is equal to 1 upon root 2. This RC we can take for it as AP divided by AC. If we simplify this, AC is equal to root 2 AP. Means this cohesive force, its value, it is equal to root 2 times the resultant of adhesive force. Means this length, it is equal to 1.414 times AP. या लेंथपेक्षा जर ही लेंथ 1.414 पट जास्त असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी पॉसिबल आहे की अँगल ऑफ कॉन्टॅक्ट 90 डिग्री. आणि या इक्वेशनच्या सहाय्याने सुद्धा आपल्याला सांगता येतं कॉन्व्हेक्स सरफेस आणि कॉन्केव्ह सरफेस. इफ दिस लेंथ it is less than, if this length AC, resultant of cohesive force, it is less than a resultant of adhesive force, means AC less than root 2 times AP, then the resultant of these two forces, it will be outside the liquid surface forming concave meniscus, means angle of contact, it is acute. Next case, if AC is very much greater than root 2 times AP, this length, it is greater than root 2 times AP, AP its value root 2 greater than, AC greater than root 2 AP. In this case, the resultant of AP and AC inside the liquid surface. To remain liquid surface perpendicular to this resultant, the shape of liquid will be such type, forming convex surface, obtuse angle of contact. This is a tangent and angle between tangent and solid surface, this much angle, obtuse angle of contact, acute angle of contact.